I'm Brittany with WTI. My husband and I love having adventures.
And this REMALI CaptureCam action camera has really helped us capture such amazing moments. It comes in this awesome carry case with a manual, a wristband to take videos and pictures with a slot just for it. You can stick this to any surface, your helmet, in your car, anything you're wanting to take video of. So many different attachments that can go onto your bike. The case, you can take it out and clean it, have controls. The Wi-Fi connects to your phone so you can control it to switch from video, photos, multi, time-lapse. You can choose through any of the settings with the arrows on the side. And again, all the different ways you can attach this. It shows different accessories you can get. The selfie stick, I loved when we went to the Grand Canyon. I put it on the side of my backpack and could just capture anything that I was seeing while we were hiking, hands-free. You can even use it to take a photo, or you can capture some cool bird's eye view. It recommends the hard case. It's got 2 slots to have better audio, but if you're going into water, make sure you use the backing that has no slot. You can just have some fun time with the family no matter where you are. There's a spot for the SD card. The camera has an ability to charge it and has a port to charge 2 more batteries, so you actually can charge all 3 batteries at the same time. Use a name brand SD card, 64 gig, anything that says U3 and A2. And like I already mentioned, this case literally has a spot for everything that you need and more. The case is sturdy, durable. You can take it with you anywhere you go. And with this ability, you can take it to amazing heights and capture the most amazing sights.
It is just a great thing for anyone, for any skill, especially if you're a beginner. And that's my point of view.